Hello, everyone! Welcome to Daily Vocabulary Advancements. I'm Alex, and today we're going to learn some super cool business phrases that will make you sound like a pro in English. These phrases are fun to use and really useful in the business world. So, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's start this exciting journey together. Let's go!
Number 1. Run with. Synonyms: pursue, implement. Meaning: to take an idea or plan and develop it further. Practical scenario: imaginary situation at a team meeting discussing new ideas. Jake, I love Mia's concept for the campaign. Let's run with it. Mia, great. I'm ready to run with this and make it a success. Liam, excited to see how far we can take this idea. Number 2. Circle back. Synonyms: revisit, return. Meaning: to come back to a topic or issue at a later time. Practical scenario: imaginary situation during a project briefing. Ava, we need to focus on the design now. We'll circle back to the budget later. Noah, sounds good. We can circle back once we have more information. Emma, agreed. Let's prioritize tasks and circle back accordingly. Number 3. Touch base. Synonyms: connect, update. Meaning: to briefly contact someone to exchange information or check on progress. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, planning a follow-up. Ethan, I'll touch base with the client tomorrow to get their feedback. Olivia, great. Touch base with me afterward to discuss next steps. Lucas, keeping everyone in the loop is crucial, so touching base is key. Number 4. Dial in. Synonyms: focus, concentrate. Meaning: to pay close attention or focus hard on something. Practical scenario: imaginary situation in a strategy session. Sophia, we need to dial in on the marketing details. Mason, agreed. Let's dial in and get this right. Isabella, a focused approach is what we need, so let's all dial in. Number 5. Think outside the box. Synonyms: innovate, be creative. Meaning: to think creatively and differently. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, brainstorming for solutions. James, we need to think outside the box for this problem. Charlotte, yes, let's think outside the box and come up with unique ideas. Benjamin, creative thinking will definitely give us an edge. Number 6. Move the needle. Synonyms: make an impact, affect change. Meaning: to cause a noticeable difference or improvement. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, discussing project goals. Amelia, our efforts need to move the needle on sales. William, exactly, moving the needle is our main objective here. Sophia, let's identify actions that truly move the needle. Number 7. Get buy-in. Synonyms: gain support, secure agreement. Meaning: to obtain approval or agreement for a plan or idea. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, pitching a new initiative. Jackson, we need to get buy-in from the team for this new approach. Scarlett, if we present it well, we can get buy-in easily. Henry, effective communication is key to getting buy-in. Number 8. Double down on. Synonyms: reinforce, strengthen. Meaning: to increase one's effort or focus on something. Practical scenario: imaginary situation in a strategy planning session. Olivia, we should double down on our digital efforts. Noah, agree, doubling down on this can yield better results. Ava, focusing our resources will help us double down effectively. Number 9. Bring to the table. Synonyms: offer, contribute. meaning to provide something beneficial, like skills or experience, in a situation or team. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation during a team collaboration discussion. Harper, what skills can everyone bring to the table for this project? Ethan, I can bring my design experience to the table. Lily, great, everyone's unique contributions will bring a lot to the table. Number 10. Run with it. Synonyms: proceed, take over. Meaning, to take responsibility for something and carry it forward. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation in a project handover meeting. Logan, this project is yours now, you need to run with it. Ella, I'm excited to run with it and see where I can take it. Aiden, you have our full support as you run with this initiative. Number 11. Leverage. Synonyms: utilize, exploit. Meaning, to use something effectively to gain an advantage. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation, strategizing for business growth. Jacob, we should leverage our network to expand our reach. Mia, absolutely, leveraging our resources is key. Daniel, using what we have to leverage new opportunities is smart. Number 12. Circle up. Synonyms: gather, assemble. Meaning, to come together for a meeting or discussion, often informally. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation, calling for an impromptu team meeting. Emily, let's circle up and discuss the client's feedback. Michael, good idea, circling up will help us address this quickly. Zoe, I'll gather everyone to circle up in 5 minutes. Number 13. Park the discussion. Synonyms: postpone, table. Meaning, to delay discussing a topic until a later time. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation in a meeting running over time. Madison, we're out of time, let's park the discussion on this topic. Alexander, we can park this and revisit it in our next meeting. Abigail, agreed, parking it now will give us time to gather more data. Number 14. Pick someone's brain. Synonyms: consult, inquire. Meaning, to ask someone knowledgeable for information or advice. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation, seeking advice on a new project. Sophia, can I pick your brain about effective marketing strategies? Jackson, sure, I'm happy to have my brain picked on this topic. Isabella, picking each other's brains can lead to great insights. Number 15. Get on the same page. Synonyms: agree, understand. Meaning, to ensure everyone has a mutual understanding or agreement. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation, aligning a team on a strategy. Olivia, it's important we all get on the same page before proceeding. William, once we're on the same page, we can move forward confidently. Ava, let's discuss until we all get on the same page. Number 16. Run interference. Synonyms: intervene, mediate. Meaning, to get involved in a situation to help someone, often by preventing other people from interfering. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation, assisting a colleague in a difficult situation. Noah, I saw you had a tough time in the meeting. I ran interference for you. Emma, thanks for running interference, it really helped me out. Ethan, sometimes running interference is necessary to protect the team. Number 17. Close the loop. Synonyms: finalize, complete. Meaning, to finish a task or process, ensuring all aspects are dealt with. Practical scenario. Imaginary situation, wrapping up a project. Charlotte, we need to close the loop on this project by finalizing all reports. Lucas, I'll make sure all departments close the loop on their end. Sophia, great, closing the loop will ensure everything is in order. Number 18. Ballpark it. Synonyms: estimate, approximate. Meaning: to give a rough estimate or figure. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, discussing project costs. Benjamin, can you ballpark the expenses for this phase? Mia, I'll try to ballpark it, but we'll need more details for accuracy. Jackson, a ballpark figure is a good starting point for our budgeting. Number 19. Touch and go. Synonyms: uncertain, risky. Meaning: describes a situation that is uncertain or has an unpredictable outcome. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, facing a critical business decision. Amelia, the product launch is touch and go due to the market conditions. William, it's a touch and go situation, but we're prepared for any outcome. Oliver, we need to stay alert, as things could change quickly. Number 20. Put a fire under someone. Synonyms: motivate, spur. Meaning: to encourage or motivate someone to work harder or faster. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, motivating a team to meet a deadline. Harper, we need to put a fire under the team to meet our deadline. James, I agree, a little pressure can put a fire under them to perform better. Charlotte, let's find positive ways to motivate and inspire them. Number 21. Future-proof. Synonyms: safeguard, prepare. Meaning: to make something resistant to future developments or changes. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, discussing long-term strategy. Liam, our technology needs to be future-proof against industry changes. Emma, yes, future-proofing our products will give us a competitive edge. Noah, let's invest in innovations that will future-proof our business. Number 22. Double down on diversity. Synonyms: reinforce, emphasize. Meaning: to significantly increase efforts or focus on diversity. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, planning corporate culture initiatives. Ethan, we're doubling down on diversity to build a more inclusive environment. Olivia, it's great we're doubling down on this, it's vital for our growth. Mason, diversity brings new perspectives, so it's important to focus on it. Number 23. Burn the boats. Synonyms: commit fully, take a bold step. Meaning: to take a decisive action that prevents turning back. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, making a bold business decision. Isabella, by investing all our resources in this project, we're burning the boats. Michael, it's a bold move, but burning the boats can lead to big rewards. Alexander, we're all in, there's no turning back now. Number 24. Drink the KoolAid. Synonyms: embrace fully, buy in. Meaning: to fully commit to or believe in a company's culture or philosophy. Can be used both positively and negatively. Practical scenario: imaginary situation, discussing company culture. Jackson, our team has really drunk the KoolAid when it comes to our values. Scarlett, it's important to drink the KoolAid, but also to stay open-minded. Henry, believing in what we do is crucial, as long as we keep questioning.
Congratulations on making it this far. You're doing an amazing job expanding your business English vocabulary. It's time for a quick recap of the 25 business phrasal verbs we've covered today, complete with their meanings. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Run with, pursue an idea or opportunity enthusiastically. Number 2. Circle back, return to a point or topic later in a conversation or meeting. Number 3. Touch base, briefly connect with someone to update them on progress or seek feedback. Number 4. Dial in, focus intently on a specific task or issue. Number 5. Think outside the box, approach a problem creatively and unconventionally. Number 6. Move the needle, make a significant impact or achieve a desired outcome. Number 7. Get buy-in, secure agreement and support for an idea or initiative. Number 8. Double down on, increase commitment or resources to a particular strategy or effort. Number 9. Bring to the table, offer skills, experience, or resources that contribute to a project or team. Number 10. Run with it, take ownership of a task or project and see it through to completion. Number 11. Leverage, use something to your advantage or to achieve a desired outcome. Number 12. Circle up, gather informally for a quick meeting or discussion. Number 13. Park the discussion, temporarily put a topic aside to focus on something else. Number 14. Pick someone's brain, seek advice or expertise from someone knowledgeable. Number 15. Get on the same page, ensure everyone understands and agrees on a plan or strategy. Number 16. Run interference, intervene on someone's behalf to protect them from trouble or unwanted attention. Number 17. Close the loop, complete a task or follow through on a commitment. Number 18. Ballpark it, provide a rough estimate or approximation. Number 19. Touch and go, uncertain or unpredictable, with a high chance of failure. Number 20. Put a fire under someone, motivate someone to take action or improve their performance. Number 21. Future-proof, make something prepared and adaptable to withstand future changes and challenges. Number 22. Double down on diversity, make a proactive and significant effort to increase and prioritize diversity. Number 24. Burn the boats, make a bold and irreversible decision that commits resources and forces progress. Number 25. Drink the KoolAid, fully embrace a company's culture, beliefs, and mission.
Great job today, everyone! I hope you enjoyed learning these awesome business phrases as much as I loved sharing them with you. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, I have a little challenge for you. Try to write your own sentences using the phrases we learned today and share them in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. Bye for now!